as there are standards in solar photovoltaic. So I think we can act as a bridging agency to quantify the performance of the system and probably in future improve the efficiency of the system.
What we are planning to work with CSIR here are a couple of things. One area of interest for us is the fluid dynamics and the heat transfer optimization. So what we are doing is practical implementation, but we are going to be working with them in terms of fluid flow analysis and thermal analysis and so on and so forth. That's one area. The other area is the solar performance estimate. When we are working on the ESCO model particularly, all our estimates are based on thumb rule based number of days and all of that. Now they are going to be helping us in terms of completely graphing throughout the year. So they have implemented in CSIR solar monitoring station that monitors the radiation, GHI and DNI and all of that. So they have implemented at a very huge cost. So they have data for Chennai on how the performance has been, and they have data from others on how the data, from other sources, they have data on DNI and GHI. So they are going to be merging that data along with our solar design and giving us an estimate of what the future savings can be so that the contracts can be more reliable and the savings can be more reliable. So those are some of the areas in which we are going to be collaborating along with CSIR. The third area is, as we are developing newer technologies like CPC and so on and so forth, they will provide us the testing ground and the monitoring for doing those activities. So that's their role. They will probably come to the industry directly only for monitoring or performance or research and so on and so forth. That's where they will come.
I think that's pretty much it. There are no other questions, I think.
Thank you, Dr. Kasala. I request Boo to hand over the memento to Abhinav and Pedro. Here.
Thank you.
Now we are moving on to the financial session, and Mr. Govardhan Thirumalai will be giving an introduction to Pay As You Save, PACE model. To introduce Boo, I think I'm doing the introduction only now. To introduce Boo, he is the co-founder of Aspire Systems, an IT company, and CEO of Aspiration Energy. Aspire Systems is 1,300 plus and had won 4 consecutive years the best place to work for, and with an approximate 200 crores of current year run rate. Doesn't work. Boo is an active Republican. Probably I start again. Aspire Systems is a 1,300 plus company that won 4 consecutive years the best place to work for, with an approximate 200 crores of current year run rate. Boo is an active Rotarian, an honorable member of SICI, chartered member of TIE, Chennai, and heads the Clean Tech Special Interest Group in both these organizations. He is also a member of Madras Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Boo holds BTech from Pondicherry Engineering College and did his MBA from Kellogg School of Management, Illinois. Boo.
Hi, good afternoon. Just before I start on my pay, as you say, I'm very excited about this whole session because 2 great research institutions are represented here, Fraunhofer and CSIR. A pioneer who has helped us in implementing a very large system. Our customer, Waves India, is here.